Welcome back in the kitchen one more time. It's Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, today we're going to show you how you can marinate your Christmas turkey before the day before Christmas. You've got 48 hours to go for Christmas. Hopefully, guys, will love the recipe. Subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments. Thank you so much for all of you guys who keep watching my video. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Blessing and loving from Chef Ricardo for 2016. We're going to show you how to marinate your turkey before Christmas in 48 hours. Alright? Love you guys and thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye. Nice, I love it. Welcome back, guys. We're gonna give you what's supposed to deliver today, the turkey. Today we're gonna show you how you're gonna marinate your turkey in, it's 48 hours leave for Christmas. And in England a lot of people do their Christmas turkey. But right here I have a massive turkey, guys, which as you can see, I just wash it off with some lemon juice. Beautiful, really nice. Nice kilo turkey right here. We all look on a roughly about so 6 kilos of turkey. It's a massive turkey. Really nice. Just wash it off with some lemon juice. So basically we want to marinate this big boy right here. Basically I want to simply say to you, I have some butter right here. And I have some garlic which I just cut up. That's the butter. And I'm going to put some garlic inside of the butter like that. Roughly about a pinch of garlic. With a little bit of pepper also inside of it. So let's put this at the side. Get the big boy right over here. So first of all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get it marinated and get it soaked. First of all, we're gonna pop up some olive oil on top of it like this. This is the olive oil which we're gonna use on top of this big boy right there, the big boy. This is the moment which we are talking about. Turkey time. Turkey time, guys. This is Christmas. Christmas is a time where everyone normally do their roast. Yeah? So basically what we're gonna do, first of all, let's put this at the side, and let's put this at the side, and let's put this up the side. I have some fresh thyme right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna simply draw some of it just like this. Just to get. Some people use a lot of, I want to say a lot of people use different stuff when they're marinating their turkey, but we Jamaican, when we are marinating our meat, this is how we normally do it. Get this out of this beautiful thyme. I love the smell of thyme, and thyme smell, that smell beautiful and really nice. Basically I want to let's turn it over to the other side. Get the stomach right here. Simple. Just pop a little hole in the inside of it. Guys, please don't do what I'm doing. If you don't understand, make someone do it for you. I'm just giving a little stab up inside of it. Alright. Nice one. As you can see. Really good. Lovely. Nice. So I have some garlic here which I'm gonna pop. This is part where you see I just put this wall. I'm gonna push some garlic down inside of it like this. Straight down in this part where you see. These are the part where I just put some oil in it with my knife. So I'm gonna put some garlic inside of those little bits. Come on, boy, where you are? Right here, see there? This one. That's another part with the garlic. So we put the garlic down inside of the stomach. This is the breast. So the breast is a part where very important. You want to get it really. This is right at the leg right here. We're gonna put one on his leg. So far, that's pretty good so far. Man, this bad boy. Come on, let's get him over to the other side. Boy, looking nice and lovely, man. Wow, nice turkey, looking lovely and looking really nice. All right, as you can see, beautiful. So, let's pop this one side. Get this. But it's looking really nice, beautiful, as you can see. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put on some seasoning on it now. I got some spring onion and some white onion cut up. All right. That's it right here. As you see what I'm doing at the moment, guys. That's a lot of white onion. I'm using a large white onion and a large spring onion, guys, to be honest. Basically we're gonna have some natural season, some season now. 1 tablespoon of turkey season. This is turkey season. You can get, and I'm gonna use 1.5 tablespoon. Sorry, this is tablespoon I'm using. That's 1.5 tablespoon. Paprika. That's a 1 spoon. Two spoon of paprika. Call it 2 spoon and about quarter. Because I love my paprika, you know what I mean, when I'm doing such a meat like this. This is some chicken season. 1 large spoon of chicken season. And half more. 1.5. This is some coriander and garlic seasoning. That's a spoon. And a little bit more. That's even finished. Nice one. That's it. This one is some ginger and garlic right here. Let's put a pinch of this on it. Nice one. Pinch of pimento, grounded pimento. Really nice and beautiful, and some coarse pepper. Yes, so now we're gonna go into business with it. This is all of the seasoning which I just use on it. I have some fine garlic which I did chop earlier. Put that on top of it. Pop a little bit more of the olive oil on top of it like this, guys. Really nice. Simple. Put on gloves, it's very important. Gloves is very important when you're gonna marinate it, because you don't wanna you don't need to use salt, because this season already have salt, guys. Simple. You know what I mean? Really nice. You just want to get it right, you know what I mean? A lot of people don't marinate their turkey like this. Them only use like probably some, I would say probably some garlic and like a butter and all that thing there. But we Jamaican, when we do our thing, we do it kind of like a bit different, you know what I mean? So that's why you see our thing kind of look different down inside of the stomach and all the way there. Put that down in the stomach. Alright, so guys, what I want to simply say to you, down in the stomach, I'm gonna pop some of these down inside of the stomach like this. I got a large carrot and I'm gonna put it straight down inside of the stomach like this. 1 large peel potato straight into the stomach. And also half more. Right there I have a large spring onion. Some people call it scallion. Just fold it and pop it straight down inside of his stomach like that. It's just to help it to puff it up. Alright? Oh man, look at this, guys. This is massive. You just want to get the turkey really soak and marinate the right and proper way. You don't want to, you know what I mean, because at Christmas, you know what I mean, you have to do your turkey the right and proper way, guys, to be honest. And alright, right here I have some butter with some garlic, as I said before. Just to get it marinate up and thing. Let's put it on like this. Like this, because what's gonna happen now? On the day, no time for muck about. We're gonna put it straight inside of the oven and bake it. Alright? Get it all over it like this, guys. So now you can go underneath the bottom of this one, underneath the skin. more inside of it, everything from out of it. Get him up, boy. Get up this boy right here. So, right here, we just put on some underneath the skin now. So, as you can see, just to make sure. So, what's gonna happen now? Oh man, this is beautiful. Look at this boy. Look at this boy. This is nice. Really, really nice. Really nice, guys. So basically what you're gonna do now is simple. Put it into that is big grease-proof paper bag and seal it and keep it for 48 hours. Can't go wrong, guys. You know what I mean? As I can see, 24 hours is good for it also. So because this is gonna be roasting really nice and lovely, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna roast it, so you can look forward for that video. All right. So guys, this is how we're gonna marinate our turkey. Marinate it, put it down, and get it soaked. That's the key point. All right. Hopefully, guys, you like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We have a lot more recipe like this coming up for you. And this is the way how we marinate our Christmas turkey. So enjoy the recipe. If any problem, leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching.